anyways, I've got my starter here. Here's my old 40-year-old starter and my 40-year-old OS engine. It's a OS61FS 61 cubic inch displacement. And there is no fire and no fuel, so it will not start. I wouldn't start it here anyways, but just let me spin the propeller. Let's see if I can do that. I'm looking in the camera. Here we go. Yep, that's what I want. Tell you what, having done this, well, I started at the beginning, but having done this thing since I was played with this hobby since I was 10 years old, it really makes a difference. I'm not unclear as to what to do on this test stand. So there it is, and away we go.